Hey everybody, it's Taylor here from YGK3D. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to assemble a 3D printed face shield. First and foremost, we have the visor, which is the primary 3D printed component. And then we have a flexible strap, which is also 3D printed. So we're just going to insert the strap into the holes on the visor, and you're just going to do this according to approximate size, and then you can adjust afterwards. So pick whichever hole you think is appropriate and insert like so. And then you take a sheet of clear plastic, which is actually a projector transparency. And I want to take this opportunity to thank Staples Kingston for donating 200 of these projector transparencies so we can create 200 additional face shields. So we're just going to take the visor like so and pry apart the two pieces of plastic. It's easier if you use two hands. So just like that. And then we will take our sheet and insert. Just get the corner in, and then we just kind of slide it up until it is completely within the band. So there we go. We want to make sure there is rough symmetry between the two sides. And then we're just going to go ahead and snap the two bands back together. That is all there is to it. That is a 3D printed face shield fully assembled. You can put it on, and again, if you need to adjust for size, just take it off, pop the one side out, and that feels about right. Happy with that. So that is all it takes to assemble your face shield. I also want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to Home Hardware Kingston. Diane Atkinson made a generous donation to our campaign that's going to allow us to donate a lot more face shields to the community. I also want to thank my parents. They both contributed to this campaign. And again, just anybody who's shared any of my posts or anybody that's spread the word whatsoever. If you're watching this video and you want some face shields, there is a form available through my Facebook page. Please just fill that out and we will try and get your face shields to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and stay safe.